Hi, welcome to SW Box. I'm Neil, and today I've been given a remote control helicopter that's controllable by your iPhone 4. What you have to do is download an app to obviously control it, and then you use the antenna supplied, and that will obviously help us fly this helicopter. It does take a little bit of getting used to, and we're not very good at it obviously, because it's the first time we've used one, but we're going to do a few shots and see what we can do with it. Okay. Basically I'll turn everything on, find the application I need, turn it on, then you get a blue light to say it's actually on. Okay, and you've got to turn the helicopter on. Like I say, that's on now. Should be able to start flying it. Yep, as you can see. And also you have directional moves. You have a set of lights for it. You can turn on. Lights on there and one on the back. Okay, just like a normal helicopter. You can turn them back off. And make it fly. So I'm going to just fly it about a little bit and just play about with it so you can hear some music and that sort of thing while we're flying it. Okay? Okay, as you can see, it flies really well. It's a great little product, works inside and out, really like it. Great fun, with whether you've got friends or not, or just on your own. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, please come to SW Box. Enjoy guys, thanks for watching.